Yes, hello everyone, welcome to the next Family Tech video tutorial. Now for this episode I'll be doing the unboxing of this Sheildpro hammer drill. Right, so let's see what comes in it. So of course it comes with a safety goggles there. This is the drill itself, right? The powerful drill. And of course come with some lubricant and come with some concrete drill bit. This is 12 from the size. Comes with this chisel there. So actually comes with a bunch of bits. So this is 10 different sizes. And of course this is the manual. Comes with some, this seems to be a replacement brush, and this is the manual. So on Amazon I think it's going for about $79. Right, so for those persons who really want a fairly industrial drill, not over budget, pretty much affordable, I would actually say. Not one of the top brand, but of course good enough to do just about anything around the home. Just you want to do some home improvement, then this is a suggested hammer drill for you. So once again guys, for those persons who are new to the channel, please remember to click on the subscription button. Of course, leave your comments in the comment section of the video and share the video. So once again guys, thanks for viewing. Family Tech is out of here.